Hello everyone, it's Barry here. Welcome to my Virgin Kitchen. I hope you are well. Today we are testing a kitchen gadget that should make homemade candy floss. Very excited for this. It's a horrible day outside. Dogs are chilling. And in this box is a candy floss maker. Now, annoyingly, I don't know where the instructions are, but I think we'll get around it. Also, I've got some candy floss sugars. Now, I've found out that's not essential. You can just do it with standard castor or granulated sugar, but these are different colors. So that should be cool. We've got different color sugars. We've got vanilla pink flavor, lemon flavor, sassy apple flavor. These are names also given to another industry, but we won't go there. And blue raspberry. Very exciting indeed. So yeah, you can just do it with normal sugar. There is also other ways to make homemade candy floss. I've not done that before. I am intrigued to try it, but it is very tricky indeed. So hopefully the machine will help us. It's got a warning on it. E129 may have an adverse effect on activity and the attention in children. Sugar does do that. But also it does have the same effect on pugs, so I'm not going to drop any of this on the floor. Well, I hope not. It contains enough sugar for 11 fluffy candy floss servings. Please refer to your candy floss instructions for proper use, even though I don't have any. Okay, so what have we got in here? We've got a measuring scoop. I think everyone needs a scoop. There used to be a guy called Two Scoops in the American Gladiators years and years ago when I was growing up, who could like jump over cars. They called him Two Scoops or something. Please tell me I'm not the only one that remembers that. But empty box, some kind of spindle thing that says danger hot on it. All right, so some sort of plastic covering and a shield, and this is the main body of it with a very simple on-off switch there. Cook's Professional Retro Edition. Kind of reminds me of those like lights that you get on a studio film set, and they are actually lights in there. I think these are halogen ones that are going to get super hot and effectively cook the sugar. But there's not much more to it. It's just basically on off. There's sucker things at the bottom so it will stick down. I think we should just get cracking. Just get in an extension cable because the lead that comes with it is not long enough to get powered. I feel like I'm missing something other than the instructions, but this is definitely going to sit in here. Yeah, and then that, and then that goes on that. Hang on a sec. That can't be right, because there's, I want to show you. I don't know if I'm missing a part, but look, there's a gap. You see this white bit here? I'm going to have a little look online and see if I can suss it out. Check this out.
Create traditional candy floss in minutes in the comfort of your own home with the Retro Diner Candy Floss Maker from Gourmet Gadgetry. The kids will just love it, and so will you. New halogen technology, this candy floss maker spins more sugar in less time. It's simple to use.
You just put the sugar in this bit and then it warms up underneath and you do it all off the top. The bowl is just more of a cosmetic thing. On a side note, I was trying to work out what her accent was. It sounded like a crossover between English and American.
Entertain your family and friends with endless amounts of candy floss for a treat.
I'm really excited now. I thought I'd lost the parts. And also, you just dump the sugar in. It's supposed to come with some really funky looking cones, but I'm just using bamboo skewers. And before we get started, the next time the dentist tells you to floss, remember you can always use candy floss. I totally stole that from my Twitter. Sorry about that. Oh, and just to say, if this works, I'm filming the vlog, and some of you guys will be like, you should have done this with your kids. I'll be putting the kids trying this later on the vlog, which will be later in the week on this upload. Get it? Get it? Good. So just to show you, I've put my lid on, it's nice and firm, and this black seal clamped on there, and it's got like a sort of rim that's going to stop any candy floss exploding. Ooh, but all the action is going to happen on that plate right there. It's going to get really hot underneath those bulbs. The sugar will just warm up and go stringy, and we should be able to catch it on our bamboo skewer. I'm just going to turn it on and see what happens. Oh my God, I'm really worried that that's going to fly off. Oh my gosh, I haven't seen Star Wars yet and I want to do a video telling you how I react to watching Star Wars, but look, it's like lightsabers. Actual very hot lightsabers in the bowl. That is insanely hot. I'm sure one of my kids has got some protective glasses upstairs somewhere. I'm just going to be cautious. Couldn't find glasses anywhere. These are the only ones I could find. They're broken and also there's no lenses in them, but I think it will make me feel just a little bit more secure. I don't know why. I just really want to make sure, I've got a tea towel because it's very hot, that is on there properly. If that flies off, that will hurt. It'll be like Odd Job in James Bond. Or Random Task. All right, let's go again. See, that scares me. Because if that flies off, that will hurt. So be very careful with this. I am a trained professional. And then we're going to go with the vanilla pink. Oh God, that smells very naughty. Vanilla and sugar. All right. Okay. It goes in this hole. Ugh. Was I supposed to pour it in before it was on? I just got like splattered with sugar in my eyes. Genuinely need to find that out. All right. It's in there. And then this end, how's that got burnt? Apparently it's going to warm the sugar up and I'll be able to go like this and I'll have candy floss. I've just got to wait. I'm hiding. All right, I'm going to give it a few more minutes. If nothing happens, I'm going to have to go back to my instructional American/English video, which was very good. Basically the polar opposite to this because it smells like it's burning. There's strands of sugar. Look, can you see? Yes. What's the... Oh, Jesus. What do I do? Oh. I'm doing it, Mum. Sorry, Mum, if you're watching. Yes. This is really fun. I've always wanted to do a recipe on candy floss, but by having a maker like this, it's making the whole process safe. So all I'm doing, I'm sticking it around the edge now. I'm not going near that plate, and it seems to be working quite well. Oh, wow, look. It's like a cobweb. Oh, wow. Oh. Look at this. Oh my gosh. It's like a big cotton bud for your earwax. Oh, and you can use this to shape it. I'm going to put an image of the screen right now. You can get some crazy like candy floss styles. This is going to be the thumbnail. That's how I make my thumbnails. No. It's like a wind sail. Oh, it's not very hot at all. Great. That was epic. I think we run out of sugar, but look at that. Okay. Just need to firm it at the top a little bit. Oh, if you're enjoying this video, don't forget to check out the last gadget review I did, which was the twist and sprout, and check out all the other ones. Have a marathon, grab the popcorn or the candy floss. So at the end of the night, the DJ's finished playing his record. So you get quite a bit of residue around there, and that is hot, so keep your hands out of that. But I really, really recommend this. Seriously though, let's try it. And oh, that is not, I mean, it's just sugar. That's just sugar. You suddenly realise now when you're at a fair, you're thinking, yeah, candy floss. There must be something nice in that. It's just sugar, but it's nice. So as good as making candy floss with like one little bit of sugar, we've got quite a lot there, and I'm gonna just try and make a slightly larger one and see how we get on. So if you just kind of pinch it at the bottom as well, you can shape this. You can do weird stuff with it. It should hold it. There we go. Yeah. Although it looks like a real pain to clean as well, sugar with water, it just kind of disintegrates anyway, so I'd imagine that'll be all right. Just take a couple of minutes to get going. That's been 3 minutes already. Just looks like a cobweb at first. Another thought that's just come to me, you go to a fair, right, and you buy candy floss for like, you know, a couple of quid or a few dollars, whatever, and like effectively it's just, in the words of Mary Poppins, a spoonful of sugar. So when YouTube finishes for me, I'm gonna set up my own candy floss stall, okay? I think I've made a troll. Sassy apple one really does smell of apple. It has green bits in it as well. Ooh. Oh man. Oh, look at that. I made like a pink rose thing. There we go. If I use a second stick rather than my hand to wind it on, it's hiding the fact that it just really wants to fall off. And I've made the Colonel from the KFC thing's wig. I've totally got this motion down now. It's like wax on, wax off. Yes. I get the feeling that some people are keen to try some. Amy, Boston? I stuck my other one on top, okay? Because why not, eh? Looks kind of like a little bunny. Ugh. Oh my gosh, the sun is coming out. It's trying to tell me, Barry, stop. Oh! Oh, God. It's all going wrong. The pink bit died. What happened to my pink bit? There we go. I'm going to quit now. Okay, folks, this is my Banksy style candy floss. It's a little bit ragged, but we've got all 4 flavours on there. I'm stopping there. I could keep going it and making it enormous, but with burnt sugar flying around, I don't really want to do that. You know, some of the pros, they all sort of like flick it in like that and then do layers upon layers. I'm just going to go, nice. You can just about see the lemon flavour in there that I added. I've literally just sat it down on the hot plate and it's kind of char grilled it. I've got char grilled or caramelised sugar. Look at that. I don't want to eat it anyway. As we've realised, it is just basically a lot of sugar, but it'll be great for a party. Good for kids, good for big kids, and it's quite a fun thing to do, really, but please be careful with it. There's a link down below if you do fancy getting it. If you see any other gadgets that you like, do let me know down below. Subscribe for regular recipes, food, fun, and lifestyle without the style, and that's about it. I do like it, though. It's cool, but safety first.